Life hacks. You need this summer. Stay cool, organized, and energized. Summer's here. Ready to make your days easier, cooler, and way more fun? Here are quick life hacks you can start using right now. Stay organized like a pro. Say goodbye to chaos. Grab a dry erase calendar and stick it on your fridge or wall. Write down plans, reminders, and grocery lists. Then wipe clean each week. It's the easiest way to keep your summer smooth and stress-free. Beat the heat instantly. Hot days? No problem. Freeze a damp washcloth overnight and keep it in a ziplock bag. When the heat hits, wrap it around your neck or wrists for instant chill vibes. And don't forget, hydrate like a boss with water infused with fresh lemon slices. Cool, refreshing, and delicious. Fuel your fun with easy snacks. Keep your energy up all day long. Pack mixed nuts, fresh fruit, or homemade granola bars in small containers the night before. Perfect for those busy summer adventures. Grab, go, and glow. Keep your clothes wrinkle-free. Going on a trip? Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and keeps your outfits wrinkle-free. Plus, you can fit more in your suitcase or beach bag. DIY bug repellent. Mix equal parts witch hazel and water with a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus oil in a spray bottle. Spray on your skin and clothes to keep bugs away, naturally and safely. Protect your electronics from sand and water. Use a clean, resealable plastic bag to store your phone or camera at the beach or pool. You can still use the touch screen through the bag and keep your gadgets safe from sand and splashes. Want more smart tips to make your life easier? Hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and ring the bell so you stay updated. And when it comes to protecting your home, car, and family this summer, we at Klinger Insurance Group have your back so you can enjoy worry-free fun. Call 301-428-4935 or visit www.klingerinsurancegroup.com today. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and have the best summer ever.